How to recover a TikTok account with only username on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can recover the TikTok account with only username on Android. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to. So if you want to recover TikTok account with only username, you can just head over to TikTok first and go over to the login page. And when you are on this login page, at the top you should be finding a question mark inside a circle. Just go ahead and tap on it, and when you do that, it gives you option on your screen. So look out for this option, the first option which says recover your account. So just go ahead and tap on it, and once you do that, you need to go ahead and enter up your username. In this, enter a username or email section. So just go ahead and type in your username here. After that is done, go ahead and click on search. And once you locate up your account, the next thing you need to do is choose a method to verify. So if you've used your phone number, you can use that. Or if you've used a Google account, you can use that. And after that is done, you just need to follow the on-screen prompt and go on with the recovery process. And you should be able to recover your TikTok account with only your username. So that is it for now. That is how you can recover your TikTok account with only username on Android. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.